Are you ready to break free from the ordinary and unleash the colossal force within you? Today we dive into Tony Robbins' transformative masterpiece, Awaken the Giant Within. This isn't just a book, it's a strategic tool that empowers you to shift from dreaming to doing. In the vastness of your inner self lies a sleeping giant, equipped with the power to revolutionize your life. Imagine activating this force, not just to meet, but to surpass your greatest aspirations, transforming dreams into tangible success. Join us as we explore this phenomenal guide to unlocking your fullest potential. Prepare for an expedition that promises to profoundly alter your existence. Are you ready to awaken the Titan within? If so, keep watching as we unravel the significant yet simple insight that our belief systems sculpt our reality. Your beliefs are far from mere thoughts. They are the architects of your destiny, framing every action, every emotion, and every outcome. Picture navigating life through lenses tinted by these beliefs. Optimism unveils opportunities, while pessimism obscures them. Tony Robbins puts it succinctly, it's not the events of our lives that shape us, but our beliefs about what those events mean. Envision transforming your perspective on failure, seeing it not as a setback, but as a stepping stone to greater success. This week, challenge yourself to shift a limiting belief. Replace, I'm not skilled enough with, I am fully capable and deserving of success. Observe how this simple change alters your trajectory, illustrating the profound impact of belief. Every decision, big or small, determines your path. Tony Robbins teaches that our destinies are forged in these moments of choice. The decisions that propel you out of your comfort zone are the ones that foster growth and innovation. From choosing a career path to selecting who you spend your life with, these pivotal decisions shape your current reality. Not all decisions are created equal, and the most transformative ones require courage and vision. Identify where indecision has limited your growth. What are you afraid of? Failure or perhaps the unknown? Confront these fears. Each decision is a crucial step toward unleashing your inner giant. Neuroassociative conditioning, or NAC, is about rewiring your brain to foster success by forming new, empowering associations and breaking free from detrimental habits. Here's how to implement NAC. Identify your desires, understand what you truly want and what stands in your way. Gain leverage. Use your emotions to motivate significant change. Interrupt patterns. Challenge old habits with new constructive behaviors. Create new patterns. Develop habits that align with your goals. Consolidate changes. Reinforce these behaviors until they become second nature. Test and adjust. Apply and adapt these strategies to ensure their effectiveness. Goal setting. Effective goal setting involves establishing a vision that is clear, compelling, and challenging. Clear, specific and measurable with a defined timeline. Compelling, motivating enough to inspire daily effort. Challenging, pushes you to extend beyond your usual limits. Apply Tony Robbins' RPM, Results Purpose Massive Action Plan. Method. Define the results. What do you aim to achieve? Clarify the purpose. Why is this goal vital to you? Develop an action plan. Chart detailed steps to reach your goal. Empower your journey to success with decisive actions and targeted goals. Start by changing a belief, making a pivotal decision, and setting a strategic goal using the methods we've discussed. Unleash your inner giant and step into your greatness. Remember, the power to redefine your life is just a decision away.